In this module, we'll be covering how to install the JumpCloud PowerShell module on Linux operating systems. Let's begin. All of the following directions are also cataloged on our public GitHub on the links provided. You'll need to have PowerShell installed on your Linux system. If you haven't done so, navigate to the PowerShell GitHub page supported by Microsoft. To install JumpCloud's PowerShell module on Linux, ensure that you're in PowerShell by typing in the prompt pwsh. Next, enter the following command: install-module JumpCloud-scope current user. You'll then be prompted by PowerShell to install the JumpCloud PowerShell module from the repository. You can type in Y or A and hit enter to confirm the install. After the JumpCloud module is installed, you will authenticate the module to the JumpCloud API using JumpCloud's API key with the function connect-jc online. To find your API key, log into your JumpCloud administrator account, click on your email address in the top right of the admin UI, and from the drop-down menu, select API settings. Your API key will be shown, which you can copy and paste into the prompt within PowerShell, thus giving you access to your JumpCloud organization through the JumpCloud PowerShell module. Once authenticated, you're now able to run any of the commands outlined within JumpCloud's PowerShell module's wiki page in GitHub. To show how this works, I'll go ahead and run the following command to pull information from a specific user from my JumpCloud organization, Bob Fay. Git-jc user Bob F. That's it. If you'd like more information about JumpCloud's PowerShell module, check out our knowledge base articles or JumpCloud's GitHub page.